The Howabo 128GB voice recorder offers an impressive internal memory that can store recordings for up to 75 days, making it ideal for various uses, such as lectures, meetings, and personal memos. With a remarkable 40 to 45 hours of continuous recording on a single charge, this device ensures that your recording needs are met without frequent interruptions. The advanced sound quality is achieved through a smart recording chip with noise reduction technology, providing clear recordings at a high bitrate of 1,536 kilobits per second. Starting a recording is as simple as sliding a button, making it easy to capture important moments without any complicated steps or settings. Constructed with a robust aluminum alloy shell, the voice recorder is not only lightweight, but also durable, ensuring it withstands daily use. Engineered for reliability and longevity, the Howabo Voice Recorder is a dependable choice for anyone looking for a high-performance recording device